Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.
Gang, what's going on? Yo, that mafia, what's going on in the media, yo? I go on for Byron Messia. Byron Messia now have a good year right now. You see me, I say, gang, Byron Messia now have a good year right now. Well, he was having a good year, kind of just dropping new track with Lil Baby and all that. But yo, all day I've been seeing on social media is, yo, Byron Messia leaked sexy, Byron Messia leaked sexy. And you know, sometimes when sexy get leak, it mostly look bad on the woman than when the man. But not in this case, people apparently, yo, the leak and not to look good on the G. Now I was gonna do a whole video on that, you know, and about the whole situation and everything. But that Prodigy already did a video. We're gonna check that one out, see what he's saying. He's gonna give us a little update, gang. Yo, the thing is crazy. Let's check it out, man. Yo, wow, go on.
You know how long me no make one of them video, ya people. But me say me affy make one of them video for no to rock up it.
And make sure you go like and subscribe to Prodigy NT, man.
Byron Messia in a trouble, you know.
Really dope vlogger with dope updates and reactions.
Byron Messia, you in a trouble, man. What you gonna do, me G? For all who no know what go on, for all who live on the rock, me tell you know what go on. Byron Messia sex tape leak. One video I circulate the internet right now as we speak with Byron Messia and one little Floridian. But here we go on. We not go call it a video, you know, because it's so short. We are go call it a GIF. You see what I say, people? Some of the way people about talk about video.
Yeah, Prodigy the easy, you know, dog. Yo, go easy. I try to style the man don't get style already, dog. You see me, I can add this insult to injury, dog. Yeah, but Prodigy, yo, definitely check it out. The man have some different takes for situation.
Yeah. No, 5 minutes, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 minutes, about one couple of seconds. You see what I say? But nevertheless, it's a sex GIF. We get leaked with
sex GIF. It's not a sex tape, a sex GIF.
Byron Messia. You see what I say? And the internet I go crazy. Not because of the sex tape, you know, but because of the dogwood. Yo, we not watch no man, cause you know, so we not love man.
No, sir. You see me, anybody I go search for the man, yeah, fish. You see me, I say, I was online when I wasn't even looking for this shit, bro. You see me, on Twitter, that shit pop up, I was mad as hell, bro. But yo,
you see what I say? But the woman, them say Byron Messia would do small, brother. You see what I say, dog? Them I say, if you're a big man, you have a baby wood, you have a little boy wood, dog. You see me?
Hey, yo, Prodigy, if you come down now, dog, you have to do your man, so dog.
I say, some of my girl, them I say, you would stop download at 25%.
Yeah, I don't mean to lie, bro. But damn.
Bumbo clad. Byron Messia, where you go do? You have to go run with me, G. Where you go do, Byron? You see me, I say, me G, a sex tape leaking is one thing, you know, bro.
Yeah, I'm sure I'm sure you know, on the video. I'm gonna have the video at the end of the video. We're gonna do the video at the end of the video, gang. So stay around. You see me, I say that.
Simple thing, you know, as a man, when your sex tape get leaked, you see me, I say, yeah, you can't get over that. Simple one, too. You probably sing all about it. But where you go sing about now, Byron? Because them are pretty in a negative way right now. You know, look good in a video. To rest a woman, them, bro. You see me, I say, all the girl them when I'm
that's facts. This dirty up dog image. You see me, I say this dirty up dog image. I don't know what I go on. I don't know if I leak it or a girl leak it or what one enemy get a hold of it and leak it. But how they get a hold of that, brother? You see me? I look like you did a record, you know. So look like you did in your phone. So either you lost your phone, you see me, or somebody close to you getting your phone, bro. You see me? Or because you couldn't even release this on your own will. You couldn't release this on your own free will of blood, please. You see me? I say, I don't look good, me G. Yeah, man, say that somebody close to you, you get a leak it or somebody close to you or an enemy or something. Or she give one enemy or something. I forgot what some people around that, cause yo, this don't make you look good, me G. Yeah, man, this tarnish your image. You see me? This tarnish your image. Like me an artist, you can't give me no tough chat, you know. Cause first thing what's the thing I go chat the tape. Can't give me enough tough chat about nothing. You see me? Yo, Jaja, that's why I feel grateful you have in your life. Okay? You know, some man I go through. You see me? Cause dog rich, but the dog don't rich in son. That's what I say.
Over here, Byron. Right now, I know say them vibes broke. Cause the girl, I'm gonna say, if you don't want no man come and tickle me, you done fat to blood cleat, you squeeze me. No, you gotta squeeze me and not tickle me. Girl, you don't want that, Byron.
So them boy prodigy, dog, you know, easy, you know, dog. And so, yeah, you don't have to squeeze and squeeze and tickle.
Byron, you have to go beat your wood palm papa tree. And that I saying in a Jamaica, you know. It was saying in a Jamaica, we say, if you want a big wood, you have to beat it palm papa tree. Byron, Messia, you have to go beat
it. Why for that? But there's a saying in Jamaica for real.
Beat him, G. Because you have a problem, you know. Yeah, man, you have a whole heap of problem. I don't know how you go get out of this one. But I wish you the best. And we see Prince.
Somebody did this to the dog, bro. Somebody do this to the dog. You see me? Somebody do this to the dog, brother. You see me? Our Prince, hey man, our Prince one reply in a dog and this up the dog. Yeah, somebody did this to you. Cause you had a good run, bro. You just released that song with Lil Baby, bro. You was on a good run, bro. You see me? And say, yo, shit, you still can be. You know, you just have to just lay low, but dog, right now in time for lay low, brother. Damn, nigga.
Swanee react to it. Prince Swanee.
See, this one I was talking about. Prince Swanee reacted. That's crazy.
Because the dog post sitting in a story. He post a video in a story and say, do you want to know a video with the Muslim man? A Muslim?
Brother, what's that? What's that, brother?
And mix up my religion and thing.
Yo, bro, Prince Swanee clowning the man, bro. You see me I say? That's crazy, bro. Yeah, Prince Swanee could know not beat them.
But the brother will say, my brother, ew. What is that? Ew. That video, the Prince Swanee posting a blood cleat story for Instagram. You see me I say, something no don't know. Say Swanee see it and Swanee know what go on. You get to me and say, I don't know, say Byron and Swan no link, so. You don't know Swan, you say, what them you think you go on with dog and you call yourself star, what kind of star you be? You fall in, because I don't know what type of star we fall.
Hey, man, this is crazy, dog.
Falling star, Byron. Bumbuckly, Byron, I don't know how you go get out of this, my G. I swear to you, I don't know how you go get out of this, but I wish you all the best still. You're a big artist still, so.
Real, man.
Let me see what you can do.
Yeah, man, I don't know that I get out of the one for real, man. You see me and say, but the dog, a star dog, keep doing your thing, bro. You're a talented artist, but you have to do something to get out of the one, man. You have to drop some big hit, make some big move, something. You see me and say?
Viewers and subscribers, if you don't see video, you don't leave a comment.
You have to drop some big hit, make some big move, bro. You got to do something big, bro, because clearly you don't have nothing big. I got to do something with that for the people forget what this dog.
Down below. If you don't see
you gonna find a Taliban, you have to go to something.
The video, leave a comment down below, same way, or just link me on Instagram. I have the video live or direct. Bumbuckly.
She say I got the flavor, yeah. I love bad bitches but don't have behavior. Plus I got the paper, yeah.
You know what I mean? Yo, Prodigy.
I need that now, I don't have time for later. Yeah, I got the flavor, yeah.
Yeah, man, keep the video coming, dog. You see me and say, yeah, man, gang, what do you think about that one, yo? We tell us so we're gonna have the video at the end for you know, the actual live video upon Twitter, you know, but guess what? Yeah, we now watch them thing upon YouTube. You're crazy, bro. We now promote them thing. We now look on you. If you want to see man with your fish, you see, you know, show now look on thing, bro. You have to go find that on your own. You see me and say, but thing next time, gang, you don't know. Yeah, man, crazy situation Byron have go through. Sorry for you that about the dog. You see me, the dog was making some good moves. Just dropping him song with Lil Baby. You see me, look like he was about to get on. You see me, I said get motion going. And then this come and tarnish him thing, bro. It don't look good, man. Sorry for you that about the dog, but I don't know. Let me know your thoughts and comments on the situation, gang. You see me, I say, what do you think Byron can do to get out of this? You see me, I say, I recover from this. Let me know in the comment section. Somebody have to do this to him, an enemy or in girl, somebody close to him, you see me I say? Yeah, who knows say, if I share that to people, you're idiot. You see me I say? Only you and your girl who is supposed to know about that. If you and your girl know, then you know who do it. You see me I say? But anyway, gang, no thoughts in the comment section. The next time, don't know. Take care of yourself and each other.
DJ, I wanna rap.